Want to redeem Roblox gift card but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to redeem Roblox gift card. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open a browser on a device. Then tap on the search bar and type roblox.com/redeem. If you have physical gift card, at the back of it there will be a scratch of security label. Scratch it off and enter the PIN. If you have digital cards, it will be on your email. Now tap on the redeem button and that's how you can redeem Roblox gift card. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.